time for mystery tackle box unboxing. If you don't know what it is, like I said earlier, it's a subscription-based fishing company. You pay either $15 or $25 a month, depending on if you want the pro. I get the pro, and it's $25 a month. But if you sign up for your first month and use their coupon code on their website, you can get your first pro box for $15. So let's dip into this real fast. All right, comes with a card. Shows you what all is in here. Bunch of good stuff looks like in this one. First one is going to be River to Sea Whopper Flopper. I've been wanting one of these in this box for months now. I actually bought my first one a couple of weeks ago. And this one, that it gives you the retail price for them. This retails for $13.64. Great topwater bait. A lot of good videos on YouTube of guys using these, catching a lot of nice fish throughout the day on these. Alright, next one's going to be Zeri jerkbait. This is going to be a great fall bait. Jerkbaits are awesome. Just whether you're throwing at docks, throwing river channels, you know, this is a nice one. It's got a wave motion belly. Huh. That's pretty cool. And this one retails for $9.99. Next one is the Stealth. It's a hybrid jig. That's pretty cool. All it is a head and a hook, pretty much, in the hook, you can see it, just swoops on there. I know it's kind of blurry for you, but it'd be pretty good. And this is a 1/4 ounce 5/0, 3 and 5/0. Oh, 3 to 5/0 hook in a Pro Series. Alright, next, strike minnow. Okay. It's like a swim bait with squid scent. Never used any kind of squid scent in fresh water, but it'll be good to use. This looks like a pumpkin seed color. No, crawdad, 5-inch. That's a good look at it right there. Alright, cool. Last is some Elite Tungsten 1/8 ounce weights. I'm gonna beat the glare right there. Oh, and these retail for $6.10, and the Stealth bait was $8.49. And these worm weights retail for $3.99 for 4. These are 1/8 ounce, peggable, insert free, Christmas sensitive, chip resistant, 97% tungsten. Also, it comes with your MTB Pro sticker. Every month you'll get a sticker. They used to do the scratch off thing, but they just sent something about new contest. So we'll see that in the future. I hope you enjoy the video. Like and subscribe. Visit our Instagram channel at Georgia_Bassin IN_. Hit us up on there if you got some pictures you want to submit. Send us direct message us some pictures on there. We'll be happy to post them. But other than that, that's it.